I have the unpleasant duty, sadly, to announce a national tragedy involving the crash of a military helicopter this morning around the Adansi area in Ashanti region. Government regrets to announce the demise of the following persons in the tragic crash: Dr. Edward Kofi Omane-Boamah, Minister for Defense; Alhaji Dr. Ibrahim Murtala Muhammad, MP, Minister for Environment, Science and Technology; Alhaji Muniru Mohammed Lemuna, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator and former Minister for Food and Agriculture; Dr. Samuel Sapon, Vice Chairman of the National Democratic Congress; and Mr. Samuel Abuaji, a former parliamentary candidate, who is with us here, and the government of Ghana. And government extends our condolences and sympathies to the families of our comrades and the servicemen who died in service to the country. All flags are to fly at half-mast until further notice. Thank you.
Mr. Drisu, condolences to you. How did you hear?
Tragic departure of our colleagues in the service of our country. They were on their way to Obuasi to launch the cooperative mining initiative. The president is down emotionally. We pray that God will give him the fortitude and the Ghanaian people to accept this tragic loss. Excellency, the Vice President, Professor Jane Nana, is now leading a government delegation to formally, but albeit with difficulty, go and convey the sad passing of our colleagues, Dr. Omane-Boamah, Dr. Murtala Muhammad, Alhaji Lemuna, Alhaji Murtala Muhammad, and comrades Sapon. So the Vice President have considered a team, one led by Julius Debre, National Chairman to Koforidua, supported by the Army Commander, and the other team will visit the two other families, and a family will visit Takoradi tomorrow. Do accept our sympathies and condolences. Very difficult moments for all of us.
Okay, thank you. So we just have there.